What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce this common German term used for quality wines that are graded depending on the level of sugar or the level of sugar of the grapes during harvest. The QBA and QMP wines that are Kabinett, Spätlese, Auslese, Birnenauslese and Trockenbeerenauslese. And the first level in this classification system of German wines, such as the Riesling from the Mosel or the Rheingau, the first level is Kabinett. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Kabinett, or Kabinett Wine, as they say in Germany. So why is it called Kabinett? Well, Kabinett literally means like cabinet in English, and it means that it is a wine that is good to set aside in a cabinet. So it's a good wine that is going to age really well, as opposed to an ordinary Riesling wine that is just meant to be drunk young and early and fruity. As a contrary, the Kabinett wine, you are going to be able to store it. It's a very good quality wine, even though it's not as late harvested as a Spätlese or an Auslese wine. This was how to pronounce Kabinett wine and what it means. I hope this video was useful. If you want to learn more about German wines, here are more videos about it. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.